Hello YouTube and welcome to a new game collectible unboxing. Today we have gotten the Resident Evil Village game, the collector's edition. Really big. I got the version for the PS5 version of the game, and as you can see here, it is an R-rated restriction in Australia. On the back we'll see the contents, which has the Resident Evil Village game in a steelbook packaging, the Chris Redfield figurine and a cloth map, an A4 art print, an art book, the Trauma Pack DLC card, and here we can see what's in the Trauma Pack as well. So quite a few DLC. So let's get into the package with the Unbox Therapy knife. Just right here. And this just slides right out. Opens front way up to reveal all the sealed contents. First up is the ArtBook. Just quickly flip through the ArtBook. Not sure if this contains any spoilers, but it is an ArtBook, so there's probably no real details to it. But we do get to see a lot of the artwork for all of the areas and locations in the game, and also designs. Looks really good with the art. So these are probably the characters. Yep, Chris Redfield. The village. So this is the artwork of probably the village area and all the monsters. Really do like art books there. So there's a castle in the game. That might be a spoiler. Not too sure what we do in the castle there, since I haven't played the game yet. And that's probably the really tall lady in the game that's been advertised in all the trailers. A lot of cool dagger designs. Another house. That's kind of freaky. A lot of dolls. Another location. Artwork in the area. That has a lot of eyeballs. Eisenberg's factory, another location again. Really nice designs, really cool art. Yeah, that's a bit of a spoiler calling that the last chapter. I'll give a spoiler warning. A lot of cool guns. And the design team. Yeah, so included is the arts card, which is just the artwork of the game. Nothing too special about it. As well as the cloth map. So the cloth map is actually bigger than my actual screen, so I'll just quickly move it around so you could see all the details of it. Yeah, it's really cool cloth. It actually feels really nice. So that's probably all the locations and where they're located. So the village. This right here would be the Trauma DLC pack. Yep, I'll just cover that so people can't use it. As well as the game itself in a steelbook. Okay, let's have a look at the steelbook itself. That's a quick opener. So that's just the regular paper sleeve, and this is a steelbook. Gets a bit of fingerprints. It's a bit glossy. I do like that. And the game. Cool. And the last thing in the box is just this Chris Redfield figurine. Let's look at the figure. Just the knife again. And that's Chris Redfield. Feels really textured and really solid. It'll get to the base as well. The base. That's actually quite a really cool base. Like that Lego. So this thing goes in just like this. Yep. That is a cool statue. And again, engraved right at the front, it says Chris Redfield. I actually nearly forgot this gun element to add to the statue. This just goes right in here. Yep, there we go. And that's the completed statue. I will definitely be pairing this statue up next to the one of Jill Valentine. This was from the Resident Evil 3 remake. And the heights are really different. Jill Valentine's one is a lot shorter than the one of Chris Redfield. So thank you guys for watching, and please like and subscribe if you like this type of content. I do a lot of tech unboxings as well as a lot of collectible unboxings. And sometimes I do some playthroughs of games. Haven't done that for a while, but I'm looking forward to getting back into it.